Alright, you guys, I made it back into a different Homegoods location. So up front we have this large gingerbread home by Cupcake and Cashmere. It kind of looks like a birdhouse. Wouldn't that be cool if it was a gingerbread birdhouse?
That's a good idea. That's actually really, maybe if you had a way of molding this one.
Yeah.
You know, and just turning it into one. Because it's big enough.
Oh, they'll poop it up anyway.
Boys.
Pigeons. And look, these have the bows on it. You have candy cane. It is Martha Stewart. How much? 100 for that. Okay, on this side we have some plushies. Oh, look at this candy cane one. It is 15, and we have gnomes by 34th and Pine. It looks like they're $12.99. They have like cute little like deers. They're 15. That one has like cute little tinsel. Here's one like in a little dress outfit if you're into that. This one's gonna be 17. Oh, here's a Nutcracker by Martha. $12.99. And this one's 20. And look at this beaded, I would call it beaded present. So we have a small one, and there's going to be a larger one in the back. Let me pan in real quick. There we go, turn the light. It's by Rachel Zoe. Let me find out. $29.99 for the small one. And then your large one, let's find out, 40. So 30 and 40 for the large Nutcrackers with the cookies. It's just holding some cookies for you. 15. Oh, I like these trees. They're kind of like glass.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, it's 10. There was one that was like kind of glass last year. This is only 20. Nope, that's Santa. I'm sorry.
This thing is 40.
$40 for this one. Santa's gonna be 20.
I like this one with the feed bag.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
Oh, seed. I thought it said feed. I thought he was feeding his reindeer.
Oh, and then the cookies, and yeah, they're all 20. More Martha, so we have like the small medium, 17, and if you want the large one, oh, 17. Oh, they're the same. So we saw this plushie bear at a different location. The ornament, like plushie pillow, it's gonna be 15. And up on top, they have a larger Nutcracker holiday home decor by 6 trees. $30, $29.99 for him. And we have this cake. It is full of glitter by Sugar Plum Dreams. And this one's 17. Look at this Santa. Do we like him? That's by Cupcake and Cashmere. Let me make sure. Yep, he's... I can't find his price though, but then we have this one by Peppermint Square. He's 20. These deers are 15 for the large one. It has a little pearl bow on top. The one sitting down with the bow. The pink by Rachel Zoe. They also have a silver one in the back. This is $12.99. Oh, kind of like that vintage vibe in the back. $12.99 too. Here's a purple Santa. We just saw this one at a different location. They have purple, they're pink, and you know the original red. 20.
We got Christmas cakes.
What do we think of the snowman though? He's just like a plain, basic snowman.
Reminds me of those Nutcrackers we've been seeing.
With no face?
Yeah.
20. No idea who makes them. Do we like
I
them?
need to finish him.
I just saw this cake.
DIY.
And we got like the flat bread, or gingerbread. It is full of glitter This is only 25. I will say the gingerbread here in HomeGoods is totally different from the at-home store. The at-home store, I mean, they just like throw that on there. I just came from there and I was like, oh my god.
It's like they use a big can of spray glue and then just dunk it.
17 right here. And this one is 17 on the pink feather. And this one's made in the Philippines for 40. And these Nutcrackers. There's that one. These are again $30. $30 for that. And this one does light up. It's gonna be 20. Is it 20 or $29.99?
25.
25. Okay. And we've seen these already. That's pretty cool. They have a tiny one as well. Look at it, $12.99. See how it turns on like that. Oh, here's a little mini guy, 20. That's quite a bit. The angel is 35. And all these ornaments here are 10. Got Tommy Bahama, Rachel Zoe, and they brought out the, you know, shiny and bright. Okay, look at this. These guys right here are cute. I think they're cute. And they got the snowman, let it snow. 17, and then here is your snowman. Ooh, I kind of like that tree. Let's see this one. It's like, these are kind of cool. Pull it out. 25. That back. Large ornaments. These are going to be 25. And then 15 down here. Look at this guy. He's a wobbly guy. Okay. Let's see. By Sleigh Hill, he's 17. Look at him. Jiggle, jiggle. And they have the prism. Okay, the prisms are here. Okay, they have these bows. These are actually kind of cute. They're by Bella Lux and they're $12.99. And you have the pink fluffy one if you're into that. The pink, the gold, and the silver. I'm not really feeling these, but I know a lot of people like them. These are $12.99. But I like these tiny ones right here. These are cute. I feel like this will go perfect like if you're doing like girling on the stairs. Because I don't do big bows. I only do big bows on the front. I feel like this would work kind of throughout. More ornaments. This one is by Tahari. Here's like the pink ones. More Philippines. These are 15. And then more Tahari. These are 15. Okay, I believe that might be it for Christmas. We might find some scattered around through the kitchen. But I just came from Dillard's. That video should be coming up sometime today. They have in Dillard's in the kitchen department, they have a lot of these gold and white dishware. Very similar on what you could find here. Different. I was just checking the brand. The brand is going to be different. So it's going to cost you more in Dillard's. These are $12.99 here. But if you're looking for something very similar like that, HomeGoods has you covered. They even have silver. I don't see it today, but they normally have silver. What is this cute thing? Oh, you get two in here. These are $12.99. All this cool stuff. I want to pull them out, but everything's so stacked. Okay, on this side, they have a lot of mugs by $5 right here. I've never seen a mug like that. A peppermint mocha with the Ray Dunn. And you get the candy cane spoon. These are 10. And these like soup bowls. Those are cute too. And those are 10. And these plates. Okay, look at the Jingle Bell one though. You could do anything you want with that. That one's 35, and then we have the tree one. These are 5. A lot of gingerbread containers. You got the Mickey, the peppermint that we just seen in the different video. Okay, I want to say that might be it. So yes, the frosty. Let me zoom in a little more. There we go. How zoom in can we get?
I haven't seen that sleigh before.
Yeah, I couldn't find a price for it. And then $17 right here. We have the cocktail shaker set. It has like little espresso martinis printed on it. And here's this one. So you know, for the season we normally get like a lot of cocktail stuff in a very, very nice glassware. This is a really cute candy jar.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah.
That looks like you put Christmas candy in it. We used to put,
$8.
like, ribbon candy and stuff.
A ribbon candy, that's like what my grandma used to keep at her table all year long. Ribbon candy.
You used to pick it up and it'd be one big piece.
Yeah. Look at this one. That's 17. That was kind of cool. I don't think I've seen that one. And then that's kind of cool too. $8 right here. Has little dimples on it. Oh, here is 20. This gingerbread, not gingerbread, the Christmas tree one. And 25, it is glass. I do like the glass ones. Oh, those are nice. And if you want a gingerbread cup, they do have them here, and these are $8. They have like little gingerbread. I do know like World Market has some gingerbread, and I think like little mini Christmas trees. Same thing here, but they're cheaper here. Here's a snowflake one, $8. And then you have your candy cane. And a 17, we got the candy cane shooters. $8 right here. 8, you get 8 count, Nautica 17. So yes, look at all this glassware. Oh, that's kind of a cool pattern. It kind of reminds me of the handbag. I don't know what, like the Brahmin handbag. So they have that pattern.
Like the alligator pattern.
Yeah.
That they stamp on it. That'd be cool to see like actual like alligator printed like mugs or cups like that. Yeah.
Okay, here's little cowboy boots. These are kind of cute actually. They're $5.99. And then one for your cigar. Is that funny?
That's actually smart.
The little dimple.
Yeah.
Okay, we have this Tommy King for $89.99. And if you want a full queen, that's going to be $80. $59.99. Get this one. And that's the same price, $59.99. Let me pan out. Oop. Some more wall art, $25 right there. No, yeah, same. Is that larger? Pina colada, $35. I could just take a picture of something online and print it out. And some larger ones. $130. That's kind of cool. And $59.99. So $60. It is a velvet texture. Oh, look at that one. $80. I was watching this horse online sucking on a peppermint. It was very, very funny because they it was just weird looking how they do it. Let's see if I can put that back without it falling. $80. More wall art. That's $35. Oh, $59.99. I feel like it should come with two. Okay, you do get two. It's like, don't tell me you get one. There are some where you only get one, and it's like, what? 50 down here at the bottom. 50. And this one is 40. Okay, found this guy. A gingerbread guy in a dome. A glass dome. He's $12.99. The furniture Bible, cooking, that little fish here. Alright, you guys, I think this might do it for this location. Is there Christmas over there in that corner?
I found Christmas candles.
Oh, this is cool. That's different. Okay, candles. Here's one with the little tree. Jingles and Joy. This one's 15. These are 20 with the wood wick. And look at the one with the wreath on it. 25 for that. Cinnamon. These are the wooden wick candles. Oh, those are cool.
It's got the remote.
The flickering. And they will be 20. Now these are really nice. Like, look at the top.
I like those.
Aren't these cool? They have the tin one. And
You know those are gonna smell good when they get the lids. You know?
okay, we'll try. This is Noble Spruce. I really doubt it. It's heavy. You have it?
Yeah.
You barely smell it.
Really?
It's not strong. You have to put your face really up close.
Well, maybe hopefully this one's really loose. Maybe all the smell good.
And they have holiday. How much were these?
These are 25.
25.
Is that
Yeah,
the
they're
same
pretty,
one?
right? Yeah.
I think they're pretty. Yeah.
They're pretty.
That one smells a little better.
Oh, that's alright. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next video.